Long Island audit and all the different drama that's going on around that. So basically, what it boils down to is I really don't care. I watch Long Island audit videos. I think they're pretty good. They entertain me, and I think he does a good job with the videos. As far as the letter goes, I don't really care about the letter. It really doesn't bother me in the least. John said that the Long Island audit letter to the police department was a black eye on the auditing community.
And so it all comes down to the apology letter and the plea. And in my opinion, I do believe that letter is a black eye on our movement, if you want to call it a movement. It's a black eye. And
I'm more inclined to think that it's more of a fat lip or something like that. In truth is, I don't care about it. In terms of him saying a comment about white auditors can't have an opinion or something to that effect, I care about that just a little bit. I've talked privately with other people, and I've told them that anyone who's paying attention can see that the LIA channel is doing very well, and the reason is because he does a good job, but also because he is supported by a couple semi-large news networks. These news networks are basically from the left, and they promote his channel. They promote his videos. And so I thought, maybe he feels comfortable making those kind of remarks because maybe his audience feels comfortable with it. That was my only supposition. The truth is I just want him to keep making videos, and I don't really care. Burglars smash their way into Seattle pet store and leave gun behind.